Hello, today we are going to discuss about the Internet of Things or the IoT, that is the emerging technology. So in this we are going to discuss about what is the Internet of Things, then the problems or the challenges faced by the IoT while emerging, and the standard, that is IEEE 1905.1, which is used to implement this Internet of Things. So let's first discuss about what is the Internet of Things. So here the Internet of Things defines the internetworking of physical devices, vehicles and buildings that features an IP address that have their own unique IP addresses for internet connections and for collecting and exchanging data. So it means we interconnect the physical devices, vehicles and the building together so that it can communicate with each other to perform a task. So it comprises technologies such as smart grids, virtual power plants, smart homes, intelligent transportation and smart cities. For example, the Internet of Things include connecting security systems, thermostats, cars, electronic appliances, light in household and commercial environments, alarm clocks and speaker system. So this is a example we show we have to connect these systems together so that it interconnect and perform tasks together. So here the problems or the challenges which is faced by IoT while implementations. The first is error. So here error or bugs which occurs in the control devices or sensor of the network. So like if error occur in the control system that route the air traffic and manage the problem grid. So here we have to make a error free control devices and sensors so that it communicate perfectly with each other. Next is security. So here we know that the network devices which work at the real times are more vulnerable to the network attacks or the threats. So they must protect it with a strong security policy. So here we have to define a security policies that will protect our whole network from the external attacks. Then is multiple connectivity. So connecting multiple devices with each other and we have to make them work efficiently so that they communicate with each other efficiently and perform a task. This is known as interoperability. So connecting such large quantity of network devices together is a challenging task. Next is power or a battery life. So power supply to these devices or giving a long battery life, designing of long battery life so for the portable devices is also a challenging process for these Internet of Things IoT implementation. Next is data management and traffic flow. As we know that here we can interconnect the large number of devices. So if large number of devices are connected, then they all generate traffic individually and it causes the big problem for the management of the data, and it also also have to provide the efficient traffic flow in the network. So these are the challenges which is faced by the IoT before while implementations. The next is the standard, that is IEEE 1905.1, which define the interconnectivity of these network devices efficiently. So here IEEE 1905.1 is a hybrid networking standard which define a flexible integrity of various wired and wireless technology. So it compromises of three technologies like Wi-Fi, Ethernet, MOCA and home plug, that is HD PLC. So these are the four technology which is used in the IEEE 1905.1 to make a hybrid networking standard. So here the IEEE 1905.1 standard working group is sponsored by IEEE Powerline Communication Standard Committee PLCSC, and the benefit of these technologies include simple setup, configurations and the operation of home networking devices using heterogeneous technology. So means by using different technologies we make a simple setup, configurable and the simple operations of these networking devices with each other. So it defines these technologies on the basis of four technologies like Wi-Fi, Ethernet, MOCA and home plug. We have discussed about Wi-Fi and Ethernet earlier. Now in this we will discuss about the two left technology, that is multimedia over coaxial wires and the home plugs. Here the first is multimedia over coaxial wires. So it provides the networking over existing coaxial wire. We use the existing coaxial wires, lay down of coaxial wires for the transmission of the data and the voice or the video. So this technology was first used by Verizon to provide video, phone and internet services to the user. Next is the home plug that defines the IEEE 190.1, defined by IEEE 190.1. So here the home plug HDPLC provide high-speed home networking through an existing power interface. It means we are using a existing power infrastructure to provide the networking, high-speed networking between the home appliances. So it targets broadband applications such as IPTV, gaming and internet content over these power infrastructure, like the Ethernet over power line, the broadband over the power line. These are the example of the home plugs. The next is the Envoy. So here the Envoy is a Wi-Fi trademark or the brand name which is given to the IEEE 190.5.1 standard. So it covers a variety of IEEE 802.11 standards and it certified networking devices to create a single network for devices using various technologies such as Ethernet, Wi-Fi, MOC and home plugs. So by using these 4 technologies, we create a single network of devices. So this Envoy provide the certification to the network devices which can work in this using this technology in a single system. So this is all about Internet of Things. Thank you.